Now, I tried to iron out as much as of the lumps and bumps that I could, and I've shaped the hands not completely upwards because the silicone has to pour down. It's not going to pour up. So, yeah, the hands down, pointing. I would have preferred them up, but you can't with silicone. So, that's how they look. Now we're going to do the detailing. Okay. And you can see that they are away from the body as much as possible. I mean, you're going to have some of it up against the body. Otherwise it wouldn't look normal. Okay. So, it's got a bit warm now outside, unlike this morning when it was cool. So the clay is accordingly reacting to it. Okay, so I'm going to put him down here and we'll go ahead and do some detailing. That's the inside of the, there'll be a crease there, which is on the inside of the elbow. Okay, and here. Once we're done with the arms, I'll show you something else.